you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily Ariana and today I'm back with another video. So in today's video I am going to be following a hair tutorial from Kimberly Cherrell. It's a killer combo. Actually, it was a killer combo video and she went ahead and she did like the Wetline with the Mielle curling custard. So I wanted to go ahead and try that today and see if I was able to get good results because she said it was a killer combo, sis. And she said it worked, and if she said it worked, then it should work, you know. So the first thing we are going to be going in with is going to be the Wetline Xtreme Gel, of course. And then the next thing is we have the Mielle curling sculpting custard. And as you can see, I just literally got out of the shower. So I went in with my Miche Beauty Lavish leave-in conditioner already, and I put it in the shower, and I got my Denver brush because I need some more, you know, I'm gonna need some more curl poppage, you feel me, sis? So yeah, so I have that, and I got a water bottle, of course, if I need water, of course, which is right here. I'm actually gonna go put some water in it. Alright guys, so I am back with the voiceover. Unfortunately, the footage of me doing my hair and me explaining unfortunately got corrupted. So I'm here with the voiceover and I'm just going to go ahead and explain to you guys everything that I am doing. So at this current point, I am sectioning my hair and I am going in with some H2O, some water to completely saturate and hydrate my hair. Girl, water is your best friend. You need water for your wash and goes to be popping, period. So right now I'm adding the Mielle curling custard, and as you can see, look at that shine. Like as soon as I put it on, that shine is just coming through. Okay, so I'm gonna add, I think, about 2 or 3 small fingerfuls, like my 4 fingers. I just dipped it in real quick and I added that until I felt like I had enough. You don't want to put too much because it can cause flaking. So just make sure you take a good amount, but not too much. You don't want to take too much. So at this current point, I am going in with the Wetline Xtreme Gel, and I'm basically doing the same thing. I am smoothing it into my hair, and now I am detangling my hair. I like detangling more toward the front of my, I like using my Denman brush more toward the front of my hair because it helps me with detangling and it also helps me out with that curl definition, you know. So that's what I'm doing right here. We are detangling, so I feel like it runs through nice and smooth. And right now I'm going back in with a little bit more Wetline gel because that Denman brush can sometimes take products out of your hair. And look at that. Look at that shine and look at them curls. And at this current moment, I am doing the same exact thing. So I'm going to section the hair. You don't want to take too big of a section because it's easier to focus on smaller sections for you to get a more successful wash and go. And I am going to be adding the Mielle curling custard at this current point. And we're just going to keep smoothing. And I'm going to go back in with some water because, of course, I forgot to put water in before. So we're going to spray a few times. And then I will continue on adding a little bit more Mielle. And also continue to smooth that in and rake. So at this current moment, I'm going back in with the Wetline gel. And I'm going to rake that through. And I think I just picked up another piece of hair. Yeah, I don't know why I did that, but yeah, we're just gonna keep smoothing that Wetline in. And I'm gonna actually be doing my hair from start to finish, but it's gonna be fast forwarded so that you guys can pretty much see the hair from start to finish. And I'm gonna be repeating the same steps. actually shingling the front. I like to shingle the front, like. Let's do that. All up in the front of my hair, especially over here as well. Wait, yeah, like right here. But anyways, I'm gonna go dry my hair and then I'll be back with when my hair is dry to show you, to see if this was a killer combo, you guys. We will see if this killer combo really works, okay? So I'll be back when my hair is dry. Let me give you guys a 360. This is what my hair is looking like wet. Okay. All right, so I'll see you guys when my hair is 100% dry. All right, see you in a minute. All right, you guys, so I am back and my hair is 100% dry. I did dry my hair. And I also went ahead and I stretched it a little bit and I separated the curls. I got rid of that gel cast. I had like a little bit of a gel cast, wasn't nothing too serious, you know. I was able to get rid of it and I did stretch my hair. And this is what my hair is looking like right now. And by the way, you guys, I'm so sorry that I didn't come on right after my hair was dry, but this is like a few days later. This is actually like day 3, day 4 hair. Day 3 going into day 4 hair. And my hair still look good, y'all. Like, what's going on? Like, what's up? Like, I still got the definition. And I also did go ahead and do the shower cap method as well, which I'll post the link to that video because I'm gonna post that video as well. And it's gonna be right here, sis. It's gonna be right here. So right there. But yeah, my hair is actually holding up pretty freaking good. This looks like day like 2 hair or something, you know. But I'm gonna give you guys a 360. My hair has a lot of bounce. It's bouncy. It's really soft and it's still defined, y'all. Like, it's still defined. I also did stretch it and fluff it out like I said. I'm gonna have to give this Alright, you guys, so I am back and my hair is 100% dry. I did dry my hair. And I also went ahead and I stretched it a little bit and I separated the curls. I got rid of that gel cast. I had like a little bit of a gel cast, wasn't nothing too serious, you know. I was able to get rid of it and I did stretch my hair. And this is what my hair is looking like right now. And by the way, you guys, I'm so sorry that I didn't come on right after my hair was dry, but this is like a few days later. This is actually like day 3, day 4 hair. Day 3 going into day 4 hair. And my hair still look good, y'all. Like, what's going on? Like, what's up? Like, I still got the definition. And I also did go ahead and do the shower cap method as well, which I'll post the link to that video because I'm gonna post that video as well. And it's gonna be right here, sis. It's gonna be right here. So right there. But yeah, my hair is actually holding up pretty freaking good. This looks like day like 2 hair or something, you know. But I'm gonna give you guys a 360. My hair has a lot of bounce. It's bouncy. It's really soft and it's still defined, y'all. Like, it's still defined. I also did stretch it and fluff it out like I said. I'm gonna have to give this Kimberly Cherrell killer combo a 10, y'all, because I think this is gonna be a combo that I use like in the future. It like my hair feels super moisturized. In addition to that, like my curls still look good in this day. Like, it's day 3 going to day 4. Like, what's going on? I'm about to go to sleep and tomorrow will be day 4. And y'all, like, my hair still look good. What you guys think? Like, would you try this combo? Have you tried this combo? This is probably going to be one of my staple combos or whatever. I'm going to definitely use it again in the future. I feel like it gives me good results. I do need to touch up the front a little bit right here, but it's like, I don't like messing with my edges too much because I did lose them in the past. So I don't really like messing with them, but I think they still look good. I did them like 3-4 days ago, so yeah. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. A thumbs up, y'all. Give your girl a thumbs up. But I just want to thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch my video today. And please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. And I just want to thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!